Yes, greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I the First. You know, Israel, King is Israel, God. You see it. Enough respect to every Jamaican. You know, see it. Big up all of the new subscriber them. Big up all of the old subscriber them, and thank you for your patience. You don't know them cut off my Wi-Fi and I hell forget it back in England because it's like Wi-Fi are the new drugs. Me I explain that now in that video. But right now, see me I reach out to all of the scammer them. Cause Big Stone don't reach out to all of the top artists them and everybody already. All the madman them on the street side we are pick up money, we are collect money and them make a thing we are beg. Me I ask all of them scammer everybody, every meaningful Jamaican. And I tell you know why. I explain to you know why in a second. Me I ask all of them for chip in a little thing for this little girl named Tracy and you know see it. Tracy and we suffer from the cancer in her jaw. She's a 14-year-old girl man. You know I can't remember her name fully. You know see it, but John no star. You know so one can do. You know see it, RS me I make this. Me I make somebody come do this to the car. Hold on, I make somebody come do this to the car. I'm serious you know. Me I pay somebody for the I joke, now the money for pay them. Every money me I give to Shelly to the little girl. See? Tracy and but yeah man. So one can do my general. See? Alright. I'm sure that the car first and then I go on a little reasoning. No, this is a joke. Just a drive past and see that car yesterday. And this is half a video it and show you. I said this is the revenge of a this is a woman's doing you know. 100%. This is the fucking work of a mad, jealous woman. Well maybe not mad, but jealous woman, you know. Gee, I wonder who this person fuck with star. Nah man, he that think this. Woman, paint your car star. Jano, fuck with that. Nah, tell a lie. A big idiot think this star. You're messing with the wrong people. Yeah, her name is Tracy and Rickets. You understand? Like a 14-year-old juvenile, like a toddler, like a young girl that suffer from some extreme pain through she has been diagnosed with cancer, I think. And I cannot imagine the pain. We can only assume from what I see she got through. You get what I say? Enough time I'm like a toothache, them and them think about boy, them things that look like nothing compared to the little girl that got through. Little girl look like she's willing to do anything else rather than bear them pain there. You see it? Now the reason why I reach out to the scammer them and them man there because, you know, I think I can relate to the item and relate a certain level to the item. You know see it? And probably the item are the most quickest one to step to the opportunity. You know see it? Alright, watch out now. You see them firing up in there where them claims say come to Jamaica come kill you off and them thing there. Which is why I not believe them thing there neither. You know see, you see them people that we are be on for them money where them sound the thief and them thing there. And this is one of the best way you can go so up and wash off all of them crosses there. Ask anybody around the court. That's why back in the day, the robber them usually come up and share up some of the money with the poor people, hungry people them on the corner when they have nothing to do with it for no reason at all. And I like them want back no favors from them or nothing. You understand what I say? Them just can't keep in a little thing and boop bop bop. Help out two hungry belly people and send to Pinka school and wait. And you're frightened for see. Whatever you call it, sin or transgression, is frightened for see transforming a blessing. Blessing to the level where man protected. You know see, it's like man immune. You know see, like that. No gathering no bad, so. I tell you, no gathering no good like that. When you go back to poor people and say, Mama, hold this. See? Send you to school. See? Buy 2 zinc, put on your house. Buy 2 tile, buy 2 black or whatever. I'm not telling you, say, for one, nothing in return for it. The blessing no go so. First, I want to go in some strange area, I want to can't go back, go demands or expect any farmer, you know, returns for that. You know, see, I show gratitude for what Uno get out of the scamming. You get what I say? You can't be selfish and only do things that's gonna cause violence and evil, death and destruction and them things. You see what I say? Some of the time, you have to do some good. You know, see it and make it come back to you in another way. You know, see it in the form of protection. See it? Because they're like hungry again, or like being chased by certain type of people and them things for the bills and all them things there. You know, see it? And now watch out for no one another. You know, see it? Them things are protection against no one another. You know, see it? And them type of, when you make them step and do them type of thing, it put you in a certain mind frame now of responsibility. You know, see it? Because you see, the energy where the gratitude from them suffering people they generate to you, the way you see in them eye, the love and the appreciation where you see in them eye for you want almost everybody come like a drugs. You know see, you want everybody feel that way about you. You know see, you know you're a big man. You just reach. You know see it? Yes, no man. Someone have to step out, man, and do some things, man. Yeah, you bury no friend them when them dead and all them things there, yeah. But you don't know some people when they have nothing for that, another blessing that. Bury no friend and them thing there. Another blessing because the whole of them come belongs and do the whole thing, everybody in the whole rate and do them. You know see it? So you know see it, you bury a man and our brethren and believe you me, and your own self you do that for. You know see it? Time for reach out now, my general. I don't me talk to man. All I know a general. You know see, just for the simple facts of well then, you can manifest what you manifest. You know take boy if you do that. You know see? But that little girl that know Tracy and Rickets. Tracy and Rickets. I ring her name in her ears. Tracy and Rickets. She have a GoFundMe page. A Kingston them live. They're easy to find. Just reach out to some black. Reach out to the people in general. I not ask no politician. I not ask no DJ or no entrepreneur or them thing there. People already are doing that already. A scammer me a talk about now. You know say, and this have for no benefit, really. And truly, this are not for this it all benefit Tracy and yes and our parents them and everybody, but believe you me, you know see. When me tell you say the returns are gonna be far vaster than what you expect. You know? Like me I say more time. And the man where you help you back, you know. I usually have some strange things where you do. Where you never realize or where you never recognize or remember and them things there. Sometimes I them things they bring back certain blessing to you. You know see it? As soon as you step in the yard and lock the gate, the Jeep, bend the corner and things like that, that's why I say, oh that 5 more seconds and the boy them would have see me. You know type of thing? You know the little goodness where you do, man, the little stop where you stop and let you the man they make him drive go on or whatever. You know see them little thing there in return cause a ripple effect, a butterfly effect and it come back to you far more abundance than what you do, far more beneficial for you than what you do for all the people them where you help out. You know see my brother. So please me I beg on you, Mr. Scammer. Sir, please and thank you. Just punch in the item. Punch in, man. Yeah, man. You can do it, man. I saw it go, man. I saw it go, Rasta. Get some blessing, man. Wash off the thing with some jelly water, you know. You know, see it? Find a little girl that help her out. If anybody in Jamaica deserve the help, man. That little girl, Tracy and Rickets, man. She deserve it, Rasta. Come on, man, me shouldn't have to do this to you know, because that me show you should have known them little secret a long time. You know, see it, you get blessed, forget blessing. You know, see it. When me think cartel help so much people from prison. Them man that can't stop help people, not stop help people because him know say when the blessing not come back from them people. You understand, furthermore, him no need back blessing from them people. But still, you get back blessing in return. You know, see it? More love, more life, more generosity. You know, see it? More consideration, honorable, respect, Rasta. See? Share, like, and subscribe. Make the scammer them see it. Please, please. You know, see it? Believe me, one that wanna go viral like how I want it. Reach the scammer them. Please. More bless. Rastafari.